Well, hello, it's January 13th, 2025. So we're just entering the dry season. I have most of the place pretty well cleared up for what it can be for now. And since there was a lot of the big fires, wildfires in California, I decided to just show you a few options for spreading water. So this area from here down to the end of the fence, all of this is a 1 acre, and it's protected by mini sprinklers. So I can run these independent of the power company. They don't look like much in the video. Sprinklers never do, but it's coming out to about where I'm standing here. So it's coming out about 6 feet. Protects that part. I keep a green ground cover in the middle between rows, so this area is fairly well protected. The pump and well is in this shed. I have valves that I can do all kinds of cross connection across 3 acres. So I've got 3 acres that has above ground water sprinklers. The rest is all drip type, so it doesn't really cover the land. So that's the pump. It's a 2-inch standard trash pump, and every 6 feet I have an emitter, a rotor spray. They call it a Vari-Rotor. That one's made by Antelco in Australia, and it just plugs into a main line that runs along the bed. I have this on 1 acre. Every bed has irrigation like this, so it should overlap and make everything moist. I would say if I had an hour, it would make it really nice to where it probably couldn't burn from very dry. If it's during the summer, it's just not going to burn. But so that's one option. This is off the trash pump, so it's limited. That trash pump probably only puts out 20 or so pounds pressure when all those are on. So it's not like they're going to spin up like something super. But I'm hoping you can see this. This area, I'm using wobblers. I'm going to see if I can zoom in on those. Yeah, maybe you can see how they wobble, and they generally they're covering, I would say, at least 20 feet on each side, and high volume. So this is the real irrigation for garden, really. But this protects one whole side of my house. Protects it completely. Then in the front of the house, I have some more of those rotors, but mostly I'm trying to use ground covers that would resist fire. I hope they don't make a whole lot of green litter leaves. I do have a lot of banana in here. I don't know how easily that's going to burn, but otherwise I keep the coconuts pretty well cleared off. So this area over here I also have protected by the rotor spray. But this and that last set of sprinklers, they're coming off of electric well pump. And I don't know if you can see, but these spin much better. Oh boy, they look so slow in the video, but they're actually spinning pretty smooth. And they come all the way out to the middle. Definitely out to the middle, maybe overlap in the middle. So this whole half acre, even though it has a lot of mulch on it, dead prunings from the mango trees, it can be protected pretty easy. So that's the fire protection that I have going. This has only been running like 15 minutes. It's already very wet. So this part I could just turn 2 valves and it comes on. That other one, the big wobblers, and this 1/2 acre. So that covers another side of my house. So we got 2 sides covered. Now back here is my nemesis because I have a 350-foot row of bamboo. 350 feet. And it makes a lot of flammable leaves. So that's one place where I probably could use more protection. I'll say that. However, I've got the last stand here, which is the water hose. And I bought this little nozzle. It actually works pretty good, pretty well for a homeowner's hose. I guess it goes 30 feet. And right now, the 30 feet, really it's because all the other irrigation over there, 1/2 acre. And then the rotor sprays over on that side of the house, those are already drawing it down. So those are a couple of ideas. I actually saw the best, since to be 100% not connected to the grid, which could fail in a fire, you could get a pump that goes in the pool, and there's 10,000 gallons ready to protect for fire. So that's it for today. Have a great day.